Hello and welcome to this video on how to conduct a search on Project Muse. You can access Project Muse via Primo via the Databases tab, or you can go to your library subject guide and navigate to Project Muse from there. Once you've accessed correctly, you should see this message in the top left-hand corner, access provided by University of Plymouth. You can do just a basic search on Project Muse. I'm going to type in a search on Mary Shelley. Notice that I've put Mary Shelley in quotation marks. That is because I wanted to find the words Mary Shelley together and not separately. That's a useful tip for if you wanted to find words together or a phrase. And you can see that we found a number of results. You can narrow your search down by adding extra search terms. I'm going to retype in Mary Shelley, but I'm also going to add the search term feminism. This is asking Project Muse to search results that contain the words Mary Shelley together, and also the article has to contain the word feminism. And as you can see, this has brought back fewer results. You can add more search terms if you wish. You can also use the advanced search feature on Project Muse. You can see it in the left-hand panel here, or you can access it via the menu at the top right here. The advanced search feature allows you to construct more complex search strings. I'm going to type in the same search again. And you'll notice that in the drop-down towards the right of the search boxes, you have these words and, none, or. These are known as Boolean operators, and you can use them to link your search terms together. I'm going to leave that one on and I'm going to add feminism again in the second box. However, feminism could be described in lots of different ways. There are lots of different search terms that you could use that also might bring you back some similar results. I'm going to type in women's rights. Again, in quotation marks, because I wanted to find those two words together. But I'm going to change the drop down here to or. So what this is asking Project Muse to do now is to find results containing the phrase Mary Shelley and also the word feminism or women's rights, or indeed both. If we do our search now, we should find that it brings back a few more results than when we just stuck to feminism, because we're broadening out our search terms and providing an alternative. You can also add extra fields if you wish to enter extra search terms. I'm going to add another field, and I'm going to type in Frankenstein. And I'm going to change the drop down to none. So what this is now asking Project Muse to do is to find results with the phrase Mary Shelley, and they either have to contain the word feminism or the phrase women's rights, but I don't want it to contain Frankenstein. So we're excluding any results containing Frankenstein. This should bring us back fewer results. And as you can see, it does. You can also filter your search by using these facets on the left-hand side. You can filter by content type, books or journals, publisher, series, journal title, etc. The search defaults to all content, which does mean that you might find some results on Project Muse that we can't access. You can, if you wish, restrict your search to only content I have access to, but you need to be careful here, because if you are in your final year, for instance, writing your dissertation, or you're a postgraduate student, you might be missing material that could be useful if you do that. So I would suggest that you stick to all content. It may be that we can find the articles that you can't access through one of our other databases, or we might be able to order it for you through our interlibrary loans service. I'm going to click on one of the results. At the top of the screen, you have the abstract, which is the summary of the article. And then you can read the whole article on screen if you wish. Alternatively, you can click the download button and download a PDF, which you can then keep. You can also sign up for an account within Project Muse and then save articles to your particular space, My Muse Library in Project Muse. If I click on View Citation, this tells me how I can reference this article using several different referencing styles that are common to the humanities. Or Project Muse also suggests useful related content if you want to explore that. And finally, you can enter either your email address or someone else's and send them a link to this article as well. And that is how to conduct a search on Project Muse. Thank you for watching.